Ever wonder why hiccups happen? It's all thanks to your diaphragm, a muscle under your lungs. It usually helps you breathe smoothly, but sometimes it gets a little surprised. When your diaphragm unexpectedly twitches or spasms, it pulls air into your lungs very quickly. This sudden, involuntary contraction is what kicks off a hiccup. After that quick inhale, your vocal cords or glottis snap shut suddenly. This abrupt closure is what produces that characteristic hic sound we all recognize. Eating too fast, fizzy drinks, or even excitement can trigger hiccups. They're usually harmless and often stop on their own, or with simple tricks.